Hello friends, this is Smartest Works and I am Arjo. If you are interested to know what are tardigrades, how do we smell, how do we breathe, and what are the process of breathing, then please watch this video till the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and this video.
Why do we get bad breath?
Hey Samir, can you tell me why we sometimes get bad breath?
Yes sir. Bad breath is generally caused by bacteria that live in our mouth. These bacteria break down the food particles that get stuck in our mouth, which releases foul-smelling compounds such as hydrogen sulfide, methanethyl and cadmium. This gas is formed the bad breath.
Then why our breath in the morning is so bad?
That is because, usually during the day saliva carries the food particles and bacteria with it to our stomach. However, when we sleep we produce a lesser amount of saliva in our mouth, making our mouth drier. This increases the growth of bacteria. This results in bad smell.
Right answer.
What is asthma?
Hey, Samir, do you know what is asthma? Today just before entering this restaurant the man teased me for not knowing the meaning of asthma. Asthma. A man with an asthma problem has swollen bronchial tubes with lots of mucus. As a result the bronchial tubes get narrower, thus making it hard to breathe. But what is this bronchiole? Bronchioles are present in our lungs and the air we breathe passes through these bronchioles. Now when an asthmatic person inhales irritants, the tubes or the bronchioles become much more swollen and more mucus is produced. This narrowing makes exhalation harder than inhalation, hence the carbon dioxide-rich air gets trapped in the person's body and he doesn't get sufficient oxygen. As a result the person may feel tightness in the chest. When an asthmatic person feels such a feeling he is said to have an asthma attack. Thanks, you made me understand more than what I asked.
Is eating excess sugar harmful?
Scott, can you tell me why it is not good to eat sugar? My doctor warned me for eating excess sugar.
Eating excess sugar can give us a series of health problems. For example, there's a hormone called leptin, which informs our brain and prevents us to eat excess food. However, consuming excess fructose, which is a type of sugar, can cause leptin resistance. As a result we overeat, resulting in obesity.
What is obesity?
Obesity is the condition of being very fat like Santa Claus. Moreover, eating excess sugar is converted into a type of fat called triglycerides. Triglycerides can enter our bloodstreams and can get deposited in our blood vessels, increasing the risk of heart attack, stroke, etc. Eating excess sugar can also damage hormones called elastin and collagen, which are present in the skin. This can result in making the skin saggy and wrinkly.
So many problems. I should have asked you before.
What is a tardigrade? Hey, Lizzie, do you know that scientists have recently discovered a new animal called tardigrades? Really, I didn't know. Tardigrades are one of the smallest animals, about 1 millimeter. However, they are one of the strongest animals. Ha, it can't be tougher than me. Alright, now listen. Scientists say that tardigrades can survive in extremely inhospitable environments. But how? When the environment is inhospitable, the tardigrades enter a state called the cryptobiosis. In cryptobiosis they roll up to become a ball cauldron. In this state they can survive about -459°F. They can survive in vacuum of space and under huge water pressure. And when the conditions are stable they come back to their normal state. I would like to be one of them. How do we smell?
I can smell something very nice being cooked.
Yes, me too. Do you know why we can smell it from here?
Yes, because the wind is carrying the smell to us.
No. In our nose there's a tissue called olfactory epithelium. This is covered with mucus. They have specialized neurons called the olfactory receptor neurons. There are about 40 million of them in our nose. These neurons are chemoreceptors, that is, they can detect chemicals. When smell from an object which is made of chemicals or parts of the object. When these chemicals enter our nose and reach the olfactory receptors, the chemicals get stuck in the mucus, causing the neurons to activate. These neurons then send signals to the brain. As a result we can detect the smell.
I am afraid I didn't understand it completely.
Okay, I hope you can get it that there are some hairy structures called the cilia in our nose which helps us detect the smell of a substance.
Thank you very much, I can understand it as far as I could. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have liked this, then please like and subscribe to this channel, The Smartest Works, and like this video.